Are you concerned about the chemicals that are in your cosmetics? Well, today we're going to talk about deodorants, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own naturally at home. I'm going to look at the pros and cons of store-bought deodorants and antiperspirants. So hi my beauties, my name is Jan Benham, cosmetic formulator for Purèz Cosmetics and founder of the Aroma Shoppe. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own natural deodorant at home. It's safe, effective and gentle, even for the most sensitive of skins. But before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about what we're avoiding by going natural. So most store-bought deodorants and antiperspirants contain synthetic chemicals that can affect your body over time. And here are a few to watch out for. Number 1, aluminum compounds. These are used in antiperspirants to block sweat, but they also clog the pores and may disrupt hormone function. Some studies link them to breast tissue accumulation. Number 2, parabens. These are preservatives that are used in many cosmetics and that mimic estrogen and have been found in breast cancer tissue. Number 3, triclosan. This is an antibacterial agent that can disrupt your thyroid and affect hormone balance. And lastly, we're just going to look at synthetic fragrance, known as fragrance or perfume. This can contain hundreds of hidden chemicals, often including phthalates, which are endocrine disruptors and harmful to reproductive health. So that's just the top of the iceberg of what is in your deodorant and antiperspirants. Now let's just switch to the good stuff. Nature gives us powerful ingredients that don't harm our health. And these are just a couple of the ingredients that we are using in our natural deodorant. So the first one is bicarbonate of soda. It is a natural deodorizer. It neutralizes odor-causing bacteria and gently exfoliates. It also supports the lymphatic system by keeping the underarm skin clean and unblocked. And it's also important as the lymph nodes in this area help to detoxify our body. And then we have castor oil. Castor oil is healing and soothing. And castor oil supports skin regeneration and helps with inflammation. It also helps carry essential oils deeper into the skin. So for example, if we're going to add a little bit of sweet orange essential oil, which is detoxifying to the whole body, then the castor oil will help the essential oil to penetrate, and of course it's being applied again to the lymphatic area of our body. Castor oil also supports lymphatic health. So we're going to now delve into the making of our deodorant.
So the first thing is to gather your ingredients, and here we are using castor oil, fractionated coconut oil, tallow, baking soda, and arrowroot, and sweet orange essential oil, and we've also decided to add some carrot root oil as well. If you want a vegetarian version, you could use coconut oil instead of tallow. But I decided I wanted to make a tallow product. And the recipe is as follows. Tallow, 20 gram, or for a vegan version, you could use the coconut oil, the solid coconut oil. Castor oil, 5 grams. and fractionated coconut oil 6 gram. We then added a touch of carrot root oil, which gives a lovely colour to the deodorant. It doesn't have to be used. This is an optional use, and we added 3 grams here. We then melted the oils, and then we added the arrowroot powder 15 grams and the baking soda 7 grams. We then mixed it really well until the powders were fully dissolved in the melted oils. We then added 8 drops of sweet orange essential oil, which gives a lovely fresh light citrus scent. It also detoxifies as well. And then we poured into a tin pan, a 50 gram tin pan. So this makes 50 gram of product, or 2 ounces. And here we have some products that we make at Purèz. These are 2 types of deodorants. They're not the same recipe we've just given. We make a citrus one and a lavender one. And the lavender one has a touch of the carrot root oil in it.
So now we have made our deodorant, and I just want to go over some extra benefits, that it's more than just a deodorant. There's something that most people don't know, that the combination of castor oil and bicarbonate of soda isn't just great for odor, it also has skin healing effects. So number 1, it helps to fade brown spots and skin blemishes. So a combination of both these really help with, used on a daily basis, massaged in, left for a few moments, and then just washed off. Now, for example, myself, I used to have a mole that grew quite big on my breast area. It was quite large, and I was trying to get rid of it with essential oils and all sorts of other things, but nothing was happening. And I started to use a combination of castor oil and baking soda right onto the area, and then I put a plaster over the top, a dressing over the top every day, and left it at least for a couple of hours. And within quite a short while, within a couple of weeks, it started, the whole thing, mole dried out, the skin dried out, the black area dried, the brown area dried out of the mole. And I was just able to literally pick off little bits of it. And the skin underneath was in great condition. Now, if I had gone to a doctor, they would have just sliced it out, and then I would have ended with a horrible scar. So that's my personal experience of the application of bicarbonate of soda and castor oil. It's also, the combination is also antifungal and antibacterial. So it can help prevent fungal infections like candida, especially if you're prone to irritation or sweat rashes under the arms. Now, also you could use it on your feet, so you could use it as a deodorant on your feet as well, especially if you have fungus infections or odor problems. So this is multi-use deodorant, not just for the underarms, but for the feet and the rest of the body as well. So ditch the toxins and make a change. Your skin and your health will thank you for it. Don't forget, your underarms are part of your detox system, especially for the breast area. Everything drains into the underarms, and then it goes through a whole system, the lymphatic, to detox your body. So be kind to your underarms. If you love this recipe and want more like it, give this video a like and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. And as always, stay beautiful.